Hey guys, recently the 13F filings for Q3 2022 have been released, and what this means is that we can track the investment activity for all the big bulls for the last 3 months. If you are wondering what the hell 13F filing is, then it is a quarterly report that needs to be filled by all institutional investment managers with more than $100 million assets as per the United States policy. This report has the complete portfolio for all the huge investment institutions along with the new stocks they have bought or sold. What we'll be discussing in this video is the recent moves made by the greatest investor Warren Buffett along with what these moves should mean for you. There is no need to talk about how great of an investor Warren Buffett is. We might as well call him the greatest investor of all times. And we can say the same thing regarding Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway. Currently this company is ranked 7th among the Fortune 500 group. Now let's take a look at the Warren Buffett's investment portfolio for the time period of Q3 2022. Buffett has invested in a total of 49 stocks, which showcases that it is pretty much diversified. The total value of this portfolio is $296 billion. The top 10 stocks in Buffett's portfolio are Apple, Bank of America, Chevron, Coca-Cola, American Express, Occidental Petro, Kraft Heinz, Moody's, Activision Blizzard, and lastly Taiwan Semiconductor. We can also see the percentage weightage these stocks have in the portfolio. After understanding the top holdings, let's take a look at the stocks Buffett has purchased in the last quarter. The first stock we are going to focus on is called Taiwan Semiconductors. This is the first time Buffett has purchased this stock, and it is a huge purchase. He invested $4.1 billion in this company. This led to a 7.9% increase in the market price of this stock due to positive public sentiment. As we can see from this chart, the price of this stock was going downhill, and currently there is a spike after Warren's purchase. Taiwan Semiconductors is a huge company that provides necessary materials to tech giants like Apple, MediaTek, Nvidia, Sony, etc. We can compare this to pizza outlets. Instead of investing in a pizza company, Buffett is investing in a company that makes pizza boxes. A pizza company may perform well or not, but people are still gonna eat pizza, and pizza needs boxes. So we can see that Buffett is quite confident regarding the semiconductor sector, as it is a necessity for big tech companies. It is estimated that the semiconductor sector is going to grow by 12% every year till 2030. And as the sector grows, the companies in that sector will grow too. Another important point to look at is that the market is very down currently, and the semiconductor sector is facing low demands, which leads to the decrease in stock prices. So the stock is at a cheap price and the sector is sure to grow in future. This might be the rationale behind the purchase of Taiwan Semiconductor. Also, this company pays regular dividends for more than a decade with a dividend yield of 2.28%. But what does this purchase of Taiwan Semiconductor means to you? It means that Buffett is positive about the semiconductor sector, and according to him, Taiwan Semiconductor is a good company in this sector. You can do your own research in this sector to find out other companies that are performing well and are currently down due to the global market situation. The next purchase we will focus on is Occidental Petroleum and Chevron Corp. Both of these companies are in the energy sector, to be more specific in the oil and gas sector. And if we take a look, Buffett has been buying both of these stocks from Q1 of 2022. Here we have Chevron and Oxy. Then in Q2, we have here Oxy and Chevron. And again in Q3, both of these stocks are present. We have a quote from Buffett saying that the stock price of an oil company does not depend on the company's performance but on the price of oil. So if oil prices go up, the market price will also go up. Then we have another quote from Buffett saying that oil prices will keep on increasing in future as the demand will increase. We can understand now why Buffett is aggressive while purchasing the stocks of these oil companies. The other purchases in Q3 are not big and we won't focus on them. Now we will go to the stocks that Buffett sold in the third quarter. The first to discuss is US Bank Corp. This is an American bank holding company. Another interesting thing is that Buffett has sold some of this stock in Q2 as well. But this time he has sold 35% of US Bank Corp's stock he used to own. This is a major move, but Buffett has not explained why he took the decision of selling this stock. Though the bank is not performing brilliantly, it is not performing badly too. So the reason might be that Buffett is trying to rebalance his portfolio, or he is reducing his stake in the financial sector. The next major stock that has been sold is Activision Blizzard. He has reduced his position by 12% in this stock. Activision Blizzard is an American video game company. It has not been even a year since Buffett first purchased this stock, and he has already started selling it. This is mostly due to the pending deal between Microsoft and Activision. During Jan 2022, Microsoft announced that they wished to acquire Activision. During this time, that is Q1 2022, Buffett heavily invested in this stock. But according to recent reports, this acquisition might not go through and the Federal Trade Commission might file a lawsuit against it. This news coupled with Warren Buffett selling Activision has a lot to say. So investing in Activision Blizzard might not be a good choice for now. We got to see a lot of activity from Buffett for this quarter in both buying and selling. Do look into the semiconductor sector as it looks positive for future growth. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to show your support. We'll keep making more videos on earning, saving and investing money. One stop to all your money problems. See you in the next video.